You guys are always asking me about the next big thing, the next hustle, the next opportunity to build something huge. You want to know what's going to be the next Amazon, the next Facebook, the next freaking rocket ship to success, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it's closer than you think. It's not about chasing some shiny object. It's about tapping into the power that's right in front of us. And that power, my friends, is geofencing. This isn't just some tech jargon, it's a game changer. Imagine being able to target customers with laser focus, right when they're in the perfect place to make a purchase. Imagine knowing exactly what your customers want before they even ask. That's the power of geofencing. And that's what we're diving deep into today. We're going to break it down step by step. No BS, no fluff. I'm talking actionable strategies you can use to start and scale your own geofencing business. So buckle up, get your notebooks ready, and let's get down to business. All right, let's break it down. What exactly is geofencing? In the simplest terms, it's like setting up an invisible fence around a specific location. Think of it like this. You've got your phone, right? And your phone has GPS, which means it knows where you are at all times. Now imagine a business, let's say your favorite local coffee shop, sets up a virtual fence around their store. Let's say it's a 500-meter radius. When you, the potential customer, walk into that radius, boom, your phone gets a notification. Maybe it's a discount on a latte, or a reminder about their new pastry. That, my friends, is geofencing in action. It's about using location data to deliver the right message at the right time to the right person. No more wasting money on broad, generic ads that miss the mark. Geofencing is hyper-targeted, it's personalized, and it's incredibly effective. Imagine the possibilities. Restaurants can send out lunch specials to people nearby. Retail stores can alert customers about flash sales, and event organizers can promote last-minute tickets. This is real-time marketing, people. It's about connecting with your audience when they're most receptive, when they're right there, ready to engage. And the best part, it's not just for the big guys. Small businesses, entrepreneurs, anyone with hustle and a smartphone can leverage the power of geofencing. It's about leveling the playing field, giving everyone a chance to compete and win in today's digital landscape. Let's talk about why geofencing is such a game changer for both businesses and customers. For businesses, it's all about maximizing your return on investment. You're not wasting money on ads that people ignore. You're putting your message directly in front of the people who are most likely to convert, the people who are right there in your neighborhood. Think about it. Increased foot traffic, higher engagement rates, more sales. That's the power of targeted marketing. But it's not just about blasting out promotional messages. Geofencing also gives you valuable data. You can track customer behavior, see what's working, what's not, and refine your strategies accordingly. Now, what's in it for the customers? It's about convenience, personalization, and value. Who doesn't love a good discount or a timely reminder about something they actually care about? Geofencing eliminates the noise, the irrelevant ads that clutter our feeds. It's about receiving information that's actually useful, offers that are tailored to our interests and location. It's about making our lives easier, one notification at a time. And let's be real, in today's world, convenience is king. People are busy, they're bombarded with information, and they crave simplicity. Geofencing provides that simplicity, that seamless experience that customers are looking for. So it's a win-win situation. Businesses get better results, customers get a more personalized experience. It's about creating meaningful connections, and that's what good business is all about, right? Now, you're probably thinking, Gary, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually get started? First, learn the ropes, understand the technology, platforms, and strategies. Find your niche. Who are you going to target? Build your online presence, create a website, establish your brand, invest in geofencing tools and software. Do your research, set your pricing, find a fair structure for you and your clients. Pricing is always a tricky subject. You don't want to undervalue your services, but you also don't want to scare away potential clients. Start by researching your competitors. What are they charging? What kind of packages do they offer? Remember, you're not just selling software, you're selling a service, a solution. You're bringing expertise to the table. You're helping businesses grow. Don't be afraid to charge a premium for that value. Now let's talk about getting those clients. First and foremost, you got to get out there and network. Attend industry events, connect with local businesses, let people know what you do. Word of mouth is still one of the most powerful marketing tools out there. Offer free trials, give potential clients a taste of what you can do. Show them the results, the increase in foot traffic, the boost in sales, the power of geofencing in action. Follow up, follow up, follow up. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients multiple times. Persistence is key, especially in the beginning. Leverage testimonials and case studies. Show potential clients how you've helped other businesses succeed with geofencing. Proof of concept is everything. All right, let's recap. You want to build a successful geofencing business? Here's the blueprint. Educate yourself on the ins and outs of geofencing. Find your niche, your area of expertise. Build a strong online presence that showcases your brand and services. Invest in the right geofencing tools and software that align with your business goals. Develop a pricing structure that reflects the value you bring to the table. And finally, get out there and hustle. Network, offer free trials, follow up relentlessly, and leverage testimonials to build trust and credibility. Look, starting any business takes guts. It takes hard work, it takes dedication. But the rewards, the satisfaction of building something from the ground up, that's priceless. The geofencing industry is booming, and the opportunity is there for the taking. But here's the thing, it's not just about the technology, it's about the people. It's about using this technology to connect with your audience on a deeper level, to build relationships, to create value. That's how you win in the long run. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, make it happen, and crush it. There you have it, the blueprint to launching your own geofencing business. Remember, this is just the beginning. The real work starts now. It's time to put in the effort, to hustle, to grind, to make your mark on the world. The geofencing revolution is here, and it's only going to get bigger. Don't be a spectator, be a player. Take action, seize the opportunity, and watch your business soar. And remember, I am here to support you every step of the way. Now go out there and crush it.